I want to show you how to make a mask or masks. Open this After Effects file that says Lesson 4, Mask with Shapes. In there, inside Comps folder, there's a composition called 00, Masking Practice. Double-click that to open it in Timeline. And when you open this composition, make sure you click this layer called wildflowers.mov. So what's mask? Rather than me explain it, from just talking, I'll show you what they are. And the important thing to remember is when you create a mask with a shape or shapes, you have to be on the layer of an image or footage that you are creating a mask on. So I have selected this layer and I'm going to shape tool here. I'm selecting star tool and I'm just drawing shape. So what are masks? When you draw a mask through mask with shape tool, you are seeing the image through the shape. And that's what mask does. I'm doing that. So it's interesting. If you want to delete any mask you drew, you simply select here, like when you create multiple masks. When you open up wildflower.mov, there is a property of masks, and you can select the mask you want to delete and hit delete key. See, I'm deleting all of the masks. I also want to show you how to change the shape in the shape tool. So suppose you want to use star tool. Use up and down arrow keys and left and right arrow keys to see how the shape you are drawing, change the shape. While you are still drawing the shape, try to hit up arrow, which increases these pointy shapes, and then down to reduce that. And then left key creates interesting shape, and then right key creates kind of roundness, like that. So while you are drawing a shape, you can change the shape like that. So hit up and down and left and right arrow keys to see how the shape you are drawing will change its shape. I can also do this round rectangle tool. While you are drawing, you have to hit the arrow key to see what it does. See, each shape changes differently, little bit more differently. Up, means that was down arrow. Up, left. Oh, look at that. Right. So that's a neat trick, isn't it? Anyway, so suppose you are done changing the shape and you want to go back to the original shape that After Effects had, then just double click. See, when I double click this shape, it goes back to the original shape that After Effects had. I'll show you an example. So this is star tool, but I changed the shape with up and down and left and right arrow. But now I want to go back to star shape. Right now, if I draw with star shape, it's like a flower shape. I don't like that. So I double click this, and now it went back. It went back to normal star shape. See? I'm deleting this. And you want to delete the mask, just select the mask you want to delete on the timeline and delete it. So that's how you can change the shape of mask or the shape and create mask with shape.